Now today we discuss about the how to create a video using with Facebook and how to share the different pages and groups. Now here, this is called one page. We can make the video using with the photos, not for PPT, not for anything. They can make the only for photos. Now here, the option call is share a photo or video. Click this one. The option call is create a slideshow. We can make the video up to 59 seconds only. How many seconds? Only for 59 seconds. Now here, click this image. We can select image by here itself also, one by one. See here, you can select by one here. Now here, so which one you can select here? So or else, upload photo. Select your particular folder. Click here. Add this one. So here, how many seconds done? Only for 10 seconds. Now here, changing my duration up to 5 seconds. They applicable only for 5 seconds. Look here. See how many seconds will be accept? 50 seconds. So yeah. Done. Here, my ratio original square 1:1. Now rectangle 16:9. Image will be like this. Video will be. Now vertical 2:3. Total how many patterns? 4 patterns. We always using by originals. Now image duration is 5 seconds. Up to 5 seconds will be applicable. See here. Now transitions, none and fade. I'm not using fade. I'm using for none. Now very important call is free music. Video along with the free music, and we can upload your own music also by desktop. Your interest. So here I can play this video. Okay with this. Now music are played. See here. Upload your tracks. You can upload your own tracks. Nothing but your music. Now you recently used dance. Now here you got another music here. This is a different types category music. Now here added done here. Click forward that create slideshow. Video was done. You can check add by the company name. Happy Homes Designers. And we can content by using with the hashtag here. Now here. Why I'm using hashtag? Purpose of trending. Now here. Oh, great. This is a number. Paste it. Done. Now click for publish. So we can easily make the video also using with the Facebook. How many minutes? Only for minute only. 1 minute only. That is called 59 seconds. We accept only for up to 50 seconds only. See here. Wait for a second. When uploading video, we can show the in the right corner side, left corner side, video will be done. Now, see here. Still not video will be done. Wait for a second here. See here. After done video, please. Your video uploader is now ready. You can view and edit it. Edit nothing but you can change anything, your description and image, everything. We can change by here. See here. Publish to. Video will be ready. So views will be 0 now. You can check here. Now go to your page. Why they go to publishing tool? We'll check everything by your publishing tool also. Your video. In the future, when YouTube, Facebook will be start like YouTube market, getting revenue through video. We can check by in the publishing tool by video marketing. So they will check by your views. Look here. Last one they're showing by the payment mode like this. So right now I don't add anything here. Look here. See this video library. See how many views are there? 0. If you are, I'm creating video, I have a lot of 1 lakh views. Easily check by here. Don't give the wrong statements. Each will be checked by your video library. Video you can cross post. See, it's clear. If you're done your posting, how to reach everything check by where? Publishing tool. How much reach the public? We check by where? Publish tool. Where we can post also. Now, then back. See this. Come to here. Done. See. Play this one. This is the complete with the music here. Now here, simple. You can reach this one. One is called, we can, this video is shared by shade to shade page. Now click here, shade to page. One page to, I'm sharing the another page. Why? We are relatable into for the other page, 2 or 3 pages. We can share use into the multiple page also, not for group. We can share by the multiple page also. See here, I'm sharing my page to another page is Happy Homes Designers. Now click here. Click for post. In a post time, we can add by any person also. See which person you can add. We can add by that person also. They're showing by the time wall. You can add any time person. We can add by the this one. Click for post. So yeah, shared by other page. Now look, what the page name is? Happy Homes Designers. I'm checking that page here. Wait for a second. See here, I'm open this page. Just come down here. Just simply down. Is open. Now come to here. Just look the screen. Where will it appear? See here. They show by where? Another page. Happy Homes Designers. See here. I'm video created by the interior page. This video created by the interior page. But I'm sharing by where? Another page is called Happy Homes Designers. We can share by another page also. Look here. Just copy one. Share. Share to page. Select the page. 2 are there. I'm setting for Happy Home Designers. You can change logo here. This is the HSD logo. I'm changing for another logo here. Now copy this one. Click for post. Now here they're showing the page name also. Now open this. We are the 2 pages, same name. One is the checking, one is the business page. One is the local mapping, second one is the business page. Same name I'm using with the 2 types. See here, Happy Home Designers. Happy Home Designers. Now here, come down. Video shared by the one page to another page. Now come to. See here. Done? How many? Just now. We reached by just now. See this video. Same way or not? You can play by 2 pages. And suppose if you check the information, my page shared by how many pages, my information shared by the my page information. Now here, click for setting for settings. The option call is activity log. What are the activation you have done? What are the activities you have done in your page? We can check by where? Activity log. If you have anything posting spam, we'll check by the activate log. See this. What we have done in the activate log, we'll check by here. One video shared by the 2-1. See this. Share my video. So they are everything activated by the activate log. So your profile will be understand by the activate log. Your page understand by activate log. Where will be activate log? In the settings, go to the activate log. Last option in the settings. Is it clear? We check by each and everything. And in this content, we can share by your groups also. Before sharing groups, there are the 2 options. Look here. First one is that share by your profile, share by your page. You can share information by groups. One is called page, second one is called profile. If you have your own profile, you can share by your profile. Suppose your client business, we can share by your page. Page to where or shared by groups. If you give the page option, how many options will you show in the share option? 2 options. If I'm selecting for setting for profile. Now click. How many options? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have page, there's a 2 options. One is a share, second one is a share to page. Here, share public now. In my profile will be shared. Share with the group or anywhere. Send as a message. If anyone send as a message. Now click simple. Send as message. You can give as a your name. Click for send. Is send by as a notification. You can send by individual also. Just come, just click by my video. My view all will be increased. It's clear? This is by one kind of information. Now click. I'm selecting my page. Share. Share. Share to where? Group. Group or relevant group. Select here. What's that? Group. Previous I'm shared by page. Second page is shared by one of my friend chat. Second one shared by the groups. Groups also relevant. Interior group. See here. This is my group. You can share by news. Click by post. Now we'll check done or not with the group. Click here. We'll check by the group also. We are getting our own video. We can share by one page. Second one is one Facebook chat. Third one is I'm sharing by the multiple groups. I'm sharing only for one group here. So done. Done my video just now. See here. Rakesh is shared by the interior designer in Hyderabad video here. So we got the one is called increase the member. Second one is getting like also. And we increase my profile visit also. 3 advantages. One is called increase the video views. Second one is page likes. Third one is my profile view also increase. They watch my profile view also. The 3 advantages group will be. It's clear. This is called we can make your video promoting for the page to group, page to page, page to individual chart also. And we can show the Facebook friends timeline also. Friends timeline nothing but can show by other friends timeline also in your profile timeline. Is it clear? This is where you can promoting the one video. If you make the video on your using with Facebook.